All right, I'm back again. I didn't realize there was a time limit. So anyway, we were making this line plot, and we had made an X for Monday and an X for Tuesday. So there are 2 days with 50 minutes of reading time. Now, if I look at Wednesday, we've got a bar that goes halfway between 50 and 60. So halfway in between 50 and 60 is 55. So I know that I need to make an X in the 55 column, okay? And I'm trying to make my X's so that they're, if I had an X above every number, one of them, they'd all kind of be in the same row. They'd be the same height. And you'll see why in a minute. All right, so let's go to Thursday. Thursday, we're back here at the 50. So I'm going to put another X here for 50 for Thursday. And then finally, if I look at Friday, that's basically halfway in between 20 and 30. So that would be 25. So I'm going to go over here and make an X above 25. Okay? So we're done with the line plot. And what you can see here when you look at it is you can answer a question like, what was the most common amount of reading time? And you can look at this and you'll see there's a high column where you've got 50 minutes being read. You can also see there were a lot of times that had no X's, and there were 2 where she read 25 and 50 minutes. So we're going to use this now to answer these questions. We can use the graph on the previous page and the line plot. So it says, on which days did Charlotte read for the same number of minutes? Okay. Well, here we don't know what days. We know there's 3 of them. So let's go back to the graph, figure out what those were. Well, they're the ones with the same size bar. So you've got Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. How many minutes did Charlotte read on these days? Well, we can look here real quickly and see that it was 50 minutes. Or we could look here, whichever is easier for you. All right, last question, then we're done. You can start your homework. Homework is not as long as the problem set, so don't you worry. How many more minutes did Charlotte read on Wednesday than on Friday? And get used to seeing this phrase, how many more? That means it's a subtraction problem, okay? So we're comparing Wednesday and Friday. So if I look at Wednesday, that was 55. That's my highest number. And we're going to subtract Friday from that. Friday was our lowest. That was 25. So 55 minus 25 is 30 minutes. And we are done. Go get your homework.